Does baking soda really clean a mattress? Are you tired of spending countless hours trying to clean your mattress, only to find that it still looks dirty, stained, and unappealing? Well, you're not alone. But what if I told you that there is a simple, affordable, and effective solution to this problem? Enter baking soda, the magical ingredient that can make your mattress look and feel as good as new. You may be skeptical, and that's completely understandable. After all, how can a simple household ingredient like baking soda clean a mattress? Let me break it down for you. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and mild abrasive, which makes it perfect for cleaning various surfaces, including mattresses. It neutralizes odors, absorbs moisture, and gently removes surface dirt and stains. To clean your mattress with baking soda, start by stripping your bed of all linens and vacuuming the surface thoroughly. This will help to remove any loose dirt or debris. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda evenly across the entire mattress surface. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the baking soda for a pleasant scent. Now, let the baking soda work its magic for at least an hour, the longer, the better. This will allow it to absorb any moisture, odors, and lift away dirt. Once the waiting period is over, grab your vacuum once again and thoroughly vacuum the mattress, making sure to pick up all of the baking soda. You'll be amazed at how fresh and clean your mattress will look and smell. And the best part, you don't have to worry about using harsh chemicals or spending a fortune on expensive cleaning products. In conclusion, yes, baking soda really does clean a mattress. It's a safe, natural, and budget-friendly solution to a common household problem. So, next time you're faced with a dirty mattress, don't stress. Just grab some baking soda and let it work its magic.